Singers Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh celebrated their first wedding anniversary on October 24th. The couple made sure to make their special day memorable. Neha has now shared pictures from their romantic getaway on her Instagram handle. In the pictures, Neha and Rohanpreet can be seen spending quality time on a boat that was decked up in a royal theme. Neha is seen dressed in pink traditional outfit while Rohanpreet can be seen sporting denim on denim look with a pink turban. Sharing the pictures, Neha wrote, "And that's how our first anniversary celebration looked like. Surreal, right? Thanks to each and everyone who made sure to make us feel special. Your blessings, posts, stories, your text messages, calls, and all the love made us really happy. Much love, Nehu Preet." Rohanpreet too penned a heartwarming note for his wife Neha Kakkar. Sharing the beautiful memories with his wife, Rohanpreet wrote, "My life in the last 1 year. Happy anniversary to us, Shukar. Some of the most beautiful and everlasting memories I have got to live with the most precious person and love of my life, Neha Kakkar. You are my everything. Can't thank you enough, Sachi Nehu. The last 1 year has been so special for me. The year passed as quickly as blink of an eye for me. I genuinely can't believe ek saal ho bhi gaya. All thanks to you, Nehu, and family." He further wrote, "I am thankful to mom, dad, Tony Bhai, Sonu Didi, Jiju Bhabhi, and each and everyone in the family for accepting me with open arms and giving me all their love in abundance. Can't forget Nehats and our well-wishers who always shower their love on us, Nehu Preet." Neha's brother Tony Kakkar too shared a special message for the happy couple. He wrote, "Wishing you both 1,000 years of togetherness. Happy first anniversary." Neha and Rohanpreet tied the knot in October last year as per the Sikh wedding ceremony Anand Karaj. The pre-wedding and wedding ceremonies pictures and videos had gone viral on social media. Neha and Rohanpreet met for the first time with each other on the set of the music video titled Nehu Davya. Recently, singer Neha Kakkar had turned director for her husband Rohanpreet Singh's Peene Lage Ho. Neha's directorial debut featured Rohanpreet Singh and ex-Big Boss 14 contestant Jasmine Bhasin. Neha Kakkar said, "One of the biggest thrills of making a livelihood from music is that you learn so much. Through Peene Lage Ho, I got the opportunity to lead a song behind the lens. It was super exciting and challenging. I will cherish this shift in my perspective and I'm so happy to have worked with Rohanpreet in a different role. I'm blessed to have had the chance to experiment." The track Peene Lage Ho is about heartbreak and it is Rohanpreet's first song after his marriage with Neha. The couple had done songs like Khar Tenu Main Dassa and Ex Calling. Presented by Anshul Garg's Desi Music Factory, Peene Lage Ho is composed by Rajat Nagpal and written by Kirat Gill. The track is now available on all streaming platforms. INS report.